And a state of emergency has been declared in Jackson, Mississippi.
This is an urgent water problem caused by flooding, so a water treatment plant was damaged. This is potentially leaving close to 200,000 people without reliable running water.
Omar Villafranca has more on the crisis.
Heavy weekend rainfall led to dangerous flooding. The rain washed away highways, and now the water system is failing in Jackson, Mississippi's largest city.
Until it is fixed, it means we do not have reliable running water at scale.
Emergency maintenance is set to get underway Tuesday at the O.B. Curtis Water Treatment Plant. State officials say residents will be without safe drinking water and have virtually no water pressure for an unknown period of time because the plant is operating far below capacity.
The main pumps had recently been damaged severely.
During an emergency press conference Monday night, Mississippi Governor Tate Reeves said the city has been using backup pumps.
It means the city cannot produce enough water to fight fires, to reliably flush toilets, and to meet other critical needs.
Until the plant is fixed, up to 180,000 residents will be without reliable running water, and the National Guard has been called in to help distribute bottled water to the community.
The water is not safe to drink, and I would even say it's not safe to brush your teeth with because we are not seeing adequate chlorination and inability to consistently disinfect the water.
Children in Jackson public schools and local universities have now pivoted to virtual learning, while many businesses were forced to shut down. It's an unwanted reminder of the damaging floods that hit Jackson in February of 2020. But now, there's still no timeline on when the problems at the plant will be fixed. Omar Villafranca, CBS News,